The second step is going to be organizing the layout of the portal. Okay. So once you know the portal hierarchy, you know what harnesses are involved and what screen layouts are involved. Okay. So once you know that, you can start organizing the layout as per your requirement. So how do you do that? So I can decide how to design my layout. Okay. So you can start looking at this, or you can either just use your live UI simply to identify an appropriate entity. It could be a simple button, it could be an entire navigation menu, or it could be layout. You can find out, and accordingly you can customize it. Okay. Then the third step is changing the branding of your portal. Right? So branding means it could be related to the backgrounds, it could be the text, the formats, or it could be logos. Okay? So all these are part of the branding of your application. And again, this comes with an option of the skin rule, if you remember, where I can decide my skin corresponding to a particular portal, right? So this also helps
Yes.
when it comes to customization. Whether you would like to go with the default skin or you want an entirely different skin for this portal can be decided here. Okay. So the third step is going to be looking after this branding and styling part. So where you decide what kind of skin rule you're going to use.